8.6 billion views, 7.4 billion views, 4.7 billion views. That's not random, that's a proven system. A channel like Cocomelon is pulling in over 218 billion total views and generating an estimated $4.5 million to $12 million. Yeah, from YouTube alone. And here's where it gets even crazier. A channel like ChuChu TV Nursery Rhymes and Kids Songs uploaded only around 1,000 videos and still grew to over 98 million subscribers, consistently pulling in millions, even billions of views. So now the real question is, how are they doing this? And more importantly, how can you do the same? First, watch this video I just created.
A is for airplane flying in the sky. B is for boat sailing gently by. C is for car driving down the street. D is for drone buzzing to the beat. E is for engine going zoom, zoom fast. F is for fire truck racing past. G is for glider floating so high. H is for helicopter in the sky. I is for ice cream truck ringing its bell.
I'm getting a big chocolate cone.
J is for jet going whoosh as it fell. K is for kite dancing in the air. L is for lorry moving goods everywhere.
Big friendly lorry carries the boxes down the road.
Crazy, right? Because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recreate this entire system using 100% free AI tools. Step by step, no shortcuts. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate a viral idea. All you have to do is open ChatGPT and type in a simple prompt asking it to generate 20 nursery rhyme ideas. That's it. Within seconds, you'll have a full list of creative, ready-to-use concepts right in front of you. Don't overthink it. Just scan through the list. Pick one idea that feels catchy, simple, and fun. Once you've got your topic, copy it and go right back into ChatGPT. This time, you're going to ask it to write a full nursery rhyme based on that idea. And just like that, boom, you now have a complete rhyme, structured, catchy, and ready to turn into content. No writing skills, no stress, just pure output. Step 2, generate the music voiceover. Copy the full rhyme you just generated and head over to 11 Labs. Once you're inside, look for the music feature. Paste your rhyme directly, and just like that, the AI will transform your text into a full music rhyme with voice, rhythm, and flow. No studio, no microphone, no editing headaches. Go ahead and download it. Step 3, generate video scenes. Start by taking your rhyme and breaking it into scenes. Then go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a detailed animation prompt for that scene. Once you hit generate, you'll get a polished prompt for all scenes. Now take that prompt for scene 1 and head over to Grok AI. Paste the prompt, hit generate, and just like that, your scene 1 video is ready. Then move on to scene 2, paste the next prompt, generate again. You're literally building your video piece by piece. Now, if Grok isn't available in your country, no problem, just switch to Flow. Open a new project, paste your character description and scene prompt into Flow, hit generate, and your clip is ready. Repeat this exact process for every single scene until your full video is complete. Step 4, combine your clips. Take all the clips you generated and drop them into your editing timeline. Arrange them carefully in the correct order so the story flows smoothly from start to finish. Next, upload your audio track, the rhyme you created earlier, and sync it with the visuals. Then, add text elements like alphabet letters or simple words that match what's happening in each scene. This makes the video more educational and keeps kids engaged longer. Fine-tune everything, adjust timing, check alignment, make sure audio and visuals are perfectly synced. And when everything looks clean, smooth, and polished, hit export. Just like that, you've created a full nursery rhyme video using 100% AI. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe.